Si Hope.
I have no idea, ma. For all we know, baka bumalik ng Davao.
Prudence.
Bakit, ma? Nagsumbong na naman ba siya sa'yo? Ma, I can't. I can't have Hope work with a chocolatier.
I know. Pero hindi ba dapat inuunti-unti mo muna? Kilala mo naman si Hope. You know how emotional she is. Hindi siya katulad mo. Ikaw yung malakas. Ikaw yung mas may pasyensya. Ikaw ang mas utak kaysa puso. Kailangan ka ng kapatid mo. Good morning, Bunso. I brought you breakfast.
Thank you, Ma.
Oh, how was Davao?
Tatanggalin na daw ako ni ate sa trabaho. Hindi ko na daw kaya. Mukhang agree kayo, Ma.
Hindi naman. Kaya lang, you know, your Ate Prue has been very emotional. Nag-worry siya ng gusto sa'yo nung bigla ka nawala. Tapos wala ka man lang pasabi, kundi sa email lang. So, how was Davao? How's Ponce?
Ma,
Diyan nang gagaling ang Ate Prue mo. Hope you know very well that we're trying to close some deals with the family of Ponce. So you have to draw the line between your work and your relationship with him.